Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog.
If you missed our last vlog, we landed in the beautiful, magical Madeira.
Oh, you're making a video, let me check if I'm on. Oh, beautiful, okay, I'm nice, okay, I'm ready.
I know you're expecting something like this.
And this today.
However, we are on a few side missions today. We have to see family, and it is a rainy Sunday on this magical island.
We hope you enjoy. Don't forget to connect with us and subscribe. Remember to give us a thumbs up as well. We love the support.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're on a little mission. Just woke up, about to head out. I'm gonna go and get us a vroom vroom. Carl is gonna start doing some editing.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here and...
Yeah, and I'm gonna take a little bop to the place where I'm going, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. But bear with me because I'm still waking up. I haven't had a coffee, so my energy levels are depleted. But as soon as I have a coffee, I'll be up. About to wake up, guys. I'm about to wake up. A little bit of showers, but the weather is about to turn because I can see that it's super bright up there. 20 odd minute fasted cardio, should be fun. Town does look like it's still sleeping though, I've got to say. Very like, it's just mystical, you know. Here we are again. There is like pouring down with rain by the looks of it, and then down there it's a lot better, okay? There is something happening here. I don't know where it is, but there's definitely something happening. Overtaken, fast pace. Another one. Fired. Busy. More climbing to do. Beautiful. And we are here. FBI baby. Luckily, I managed to get here just on time because the heavens are opening. Like, wow, it just got real dark real quick. My gosh. And we're gonna leave the FBI, man. Quick shopping trip. Selection is insane. So without wanting to, I ended up here. This is my my school. This is the school I came to. Bartolomeu Castrelo. Oh my god. Wow. I have to show you this. This is my... It looks abandoned. My gosh. This is where I came to school. Wow, man. It's pouring down, by the way. But I had to come. Wow, they closed it down. I remember going through these gates. It's like a tropical garden now. Is it actually closed? Must be. It is closed. Let me see, like this you might be able to see a bit better. Yeah. Crazy, man. Ha. Look at that. like the playground. To play football, like all the way up there and stuff. It's insane. Don't know what happened. Our road is blocked because I think there's some sort of marathon, so I've had to walk from up there to down here. Should be alright, but it means that Clau will have a uphill walk to get to the car. Who's joined us, huh? Well, who's joined me? Here, the epic lady.
Hello.
The editor, you know, the one that does all the magic.
I've spent all morning, like it's 1 o'clock now.
Yeah, 1 p.m.
I'm seeing sunlight finally.
Yep, and we're about to go and get some food before she gets hangry.
I think it's gone past that.
So yeah, we found a nice little place a few minutes walk from where we're staying, which is great.
It's called Brunch Club.
Yeah, they've got some nice options there. That was just the gate opening, by the way. An entrance, that's how we get in and out, basically. And yeah, so in the morning, I went to go and get our vroom vroom so we can do some exploration. Anyways.
Oh, I smell Indian food. Can you smell that?
No. Smell food? I don't know about Indian food. Right there.
He couldn't see it and it's right there. Hopefully it's open. Hopefully it's open.
Yay,
There's
it's
loads of
open.
people.
They're going to the other side.
Oh,
Nice.
there's oranges here.
Yeah, the shop is closed.
Oh,
Nice and full. Now,
nice. And
we're gonna go and see some family. Might show you guys a little bit of the family, we'll see. But yeah, we'll see how this day is gonna unfold out. It is a Sunday, so it's a chilled out Sunday.
yeah, we're not gonna do much today.
Although the weather is cleaning up in comparison to when I went for the walk earlier. So yeah, let's see how it turns out today. So,
What are you doing?
guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a nice long walk up this hill and grab the vroom vroom. And someone is gonna stay here. He goes again up the hilly to go and get the vroom vroom. It's alright though. I don't mind walking. Yeah. There's the hill. I remember climbing these stairs when I was going to school actually. Just literally come and pop my head. And I used to go all the way up to the school, which is like right down there and down there. I guess if you live here, you'd be really fit because you just have so many hills everywhere you go. To go. Can we make it?
Let's go have a look.
We're gonna go have a look.
You're really annoying.
She's giving me the evil eye. That was the evil eye, by the way. That was not the nice smiley cloud that you guys know. That was the I'm gonna
Smiling.
fudge you up later. Back up to first. One. Go up this hill. Oh no, now we're stopping.
Oh no, is it gonna make it?
Look at these houses, yeah? Bananator, bananator, Madeira. The views past one tunnel and then it begins raining. It's nuts.
Maybe if we go past the next tunnel, it'll be sunny. Holy moly macaroni.
One of you, I'm just saying, need to digest. Need to digest your dinner, so you take the longer route, you know, so you can digest your food. It helps it start, you know, burning off the calories, especially after having a heavy dinner like that. Which I'm usually a fan for short routes. Isn't that right?
Huh?
Usually a fan for short routes.
I love short routes.
Oh, no, you like shortcuts, huh? Beautiful day today. Didn't do much vlogging, so guys, I'm sorry. Let me face it towards me. It'll be easier. Well, we didn't do much vlogging today because we went to go see family. So we got a short clip of my cousin's little cat, which you'll see that.
It's so cute.
Yeah, this one fell in love with it.
I'm in love with a little kitten.
And that's pretty much most of what happened today. That will be on video until tomorrow, basically. But hopefully tomorrow we're planning a nice little trip, and also we'll be seeing Granddad. So trying our best to, obviously, families first. So we'll update you tomorrow. Have a lovely evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.